Hey, it's Jack here with Jack Does Websites. I wanted to make another video here for you. After you saw that first video, we set up your Google My Business listing, got everything tweaked around with that, got you all set up. Now it's time to optimize it and make sure that we're doing what we need to ensure that you're getting the best online presence there, and that when the customers do search you, they're able to find you, get all the information they need, and then they can contact you. So first thing here, you're going to be having a blank Google My Business listing. You're going to want to update the online estimates at the moment. If you do them, feel free to just click the link, and then what we do is we refer them to our contact page on our website. Once that's done, just feel free to save that there. Yours is going to look a lot blanker than this at the time being. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your posts. We like to post pretty frequently, not as much as we would like to, but it's very important to post quite often because you can get a lot of views off of this and a lot of customers. We usually just like to post updates here. So for instance, a great roof cleaning job that we did. You can have COVID updates. For instance, if you're in the food industry, you just want to tell people how you're doing the curbside pickup, all that stuff. You want to add offers or add updates to your business, as well as events for people that have movie theaters or other things like that going on. Very important and useful to pull those up. Next, we're going to go into the information here. So you're just going to start off completely blank other than one service on here. So our primary service was the pressure washing service here. And after that, we added a couple additional ones that we found were necessary and useful for the services that we produce for other people. This helps you whenever somebody Google searches yourself, they will not just know that you do pressure washing, but they'll also have window cleaning. And as well, when they do search window cleaning, even though you are labeled as a pressure washing business, you will be able to pop up here as well. Next, your address is already going to be there. Again, like I was saying, you can choose to hide your address if you really want to. I really don't recommend that because you will not show up as well inside of the map pack, but feel free to do whatever you want. If you don't want somebody knowing your address, that's perfectly fine. Another thing that we like to do is make sure that we're using the counties whenever we're service areaing ourselves, because you only get so many towns here, and so it makes it difficult whenever you can actually put in the counties so that you're getting the full scope of the service area that you're in, as well as making sure that you're pinpointing and targeting every one of those towns in that area. Next, you're going to go to your hours. Us right now, what we do is we just go 7 to 9, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day. Feel free to add it however you want. Some people say do 24 hours. I've never really gotten a call outside of 9 a.m., 9 p.m., and I've never gotten a call before 7 a.m. I feel like that's great enough, and it also helps with your Google name, address, phone number for your website, so that Google knows who you are and that you are that exact person. So making sure that you're always using the same things here. Next, going forward, we already got our website here. We have a small link for whenever we're trying to build reviews. Got our website on here. This actually needs to be changed, to be honest. Wow. Make sure you're using that. You find things every day, honestly. So then we made sure that that was updated. It's going to take a minute here for it to be reviewed by Google, but that's fine. We have our contact link. We have products on here as well. We tried to flesh out everything that a person could know: house washing, roof washing, concrete cleaning. Any services that you're using, I really do recommend making sure that that's all there, so that people, whenever they're searching for you, it can also help with your discoverability, I find, as well. Next, we have our services here. You're going to want to make sure that you're doing every service that you have here, just so that you know exactly, and everybody knows exactly what you're doing. Very important there as well. And then keep going. We do online estimates, and then you also want to have a nice description of yourself. Pressure washing and power washing needs to everyone in Central Illinois region. Call today for a free estimate when you joined. And then going forward, you're not going to have very many insights yet, but you want to keep going with that. And then go down to messaging. We have it turned on. You actually have to do it on the phone. So there's a Google My Business app on the phone, and then you'll turn on the messaging from here. This is very useful because like 70% of our pressure washing customers are on their phone. So it helps if they don't want to call you. You want to make it as easy for your customer as possible. So that's why we turn the messaging on there. And then furthermore, you're going to want to make sure that you're always putting crazy amount of pictures onto your business. Everything that you do, I almost say do it and then upload it and then always track it. Another thing that we do, like for instance, some of these have some crazy amount, 751 views right there, 643 views. That's crazy. So a lot of views on these pictures, and I'm sure that's helped us out. You're also going to want to make sure that you tag and change the name of the picture that you're dealing with. So for instance, done. Look, we tag it 617 House Wash, Normal, Illinois before. So I try to put the location in there and as well the service. All your keywords, always try to put those into the pictures because Google understands that. You're as well going to want to put up as many videos as you can. We do need to actually put some interior pictures up, but you're always going to want to have exterior jobs that you do, people at work, the team, the identity, and that's that. Going forward, we already did this, talked about the products here. You're always going to want to make sure that you just flesh these out as much as you can, as well as the services. Now, this is one crucial tip right here that I would like to employ for everybody to please use this. This is going to help you get boosted in the ranks. This is going to help get you found more. This is going to help people have more trust and reliability in you as a company. And what you're going to be doing is, after you're dealing with every customer, I don't know if you do more than just get their email or the phone number, but what we do is, after we complete every job and we get the receipt out, on our email for the receipt, we put this link into there, and it's a nice button that says, hey, if you had a great time with us today, we please recommend sending out a review. We've done this, and we've had 100 customers this year, and we've been able to get over 42 reviews in that small of a time. So that's the real last hack. Google My Business is a complete free service, so I really recommend setting yourself up onto it. You can see how many, we had 13 people visit our website in the last month. That transfers into probably $3,000 to $4,000 just for free advertising on there, just for being online. So I highly recommend it if you're using services like this. And as well, that about wraps up the video. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments down below. We'd love to help you out. Also, may end up even making another video on it for you. As well, if you need any help with setting up your Google My Business, feel free to reach out to me. I'll have my website linked down below. We can get this straightened out for you. I also do website design, and I as well do search engine optimization on service businesses to help them get ranked higher on Google. So, I hope you guys have a great day. Look forward to hearing from you, and peace out.